Alright, yo. So today I'm going to teach you how to embed your Calendly calendar into your card website to look just like this. So yeah, let's hop over to Calendly. First thing you want to do is create an event, and then from there, click on your event, press share, add the website. Then the one to get it to look like this is inline embedded. Continue. Now from here, I do hide the cookie banner. It's just what I prefer to do. You can edit the colors to however your card website is or whatever, but usually I just keep it the same. Now from there, just copy the code over. Now, hop back over to card. Now you want to press the plus button in the top right corner, and then from there press embedded. I'm going to slide that up here to where we want the calendar to be. Label, Calendly, inline, yep. Paste in the code. Now from here, you can edit the pixel height. So if we want it 310 instead of 320, however your heart desires. And now press done. Go up to the top right, save site, save changes. Now if we view our demo, scroll down. It's loading. There it is, ready to grow. Call to action, there's your calendar. So yeah, there it is. Take care, peace.